Hello. I'm installing, or I installed an Avital 3100L alarm in my 85 Mustang GT 5.0. So I was having trouble with the power door locks. So I finally got it dialed in, and I'm going to get a close-up of where the wires go. I'm going to put it on. You guys can see it good. So it goes, the top wires that go to the door harness are pink and green to white and black, pink and yellow to brown and black. And then the bottom wires that go, I guess they go to the other side, but they go pink and green to green and black, pink and yellow to blue and black. That's for your 451M relay assembly. And then another thing you need to know is, well, let me take you over here to the car. So you have to cut the wires, the pink and green, and then the pink and yellow. There's one of them. There's the other one. Those are the top wires. And if you follow them, they go through this door harness right here. You can stick your hand up through the hole right there, and then they go through to the door. And then the pink and green, when you press the lock, when you press the lock down, it should light up on your test light. And I already have it connected, so I can't show you. The bottom wires are right here, pink and green to the green and black, and then pink and yellow to blue and black. Right here. And then also I installed, to have my lights illuminate the interior lights, or I put a light relay where it's a negative output relay. And then also for the trunk relay, I use for the fuel door. So I don't really open my trunk that much. So I connected it to the fuel door. So I just press the button on the remote so it'll work. And you have to use a negative output relay. And this is how you have to wire it. So if you guys can see that good. So you hold the button down for like 3 seconds for the trunk relay. The fuel door release. And then open my fuel door. So a couple more things I'd like to let be known about this vehicle is I had some wiring issues. I had some charging issues, and I found this connector right here is all burnt. The wire fell out of it. You can see that little melted where the thick wire from the alternator used to go, and that's like way underneath the AC hoses. You can't even see it. It's like down underneath there. And I actually had a blown AC hose. This thing's like 30 years old or whatever, but and I saw that harness down there was all melted, and so I soldered a new wire. You can see it's red down there by the alternator. And then, actually I split it off. I went down. One of them goes like towards the ignition switch, but I connected it straight to the junction right there on the starter relay. And then another thing, the 65 amp alternator this thing came with, I ended up getting a 150 amp alternator from O'Reilly's, and it worked great. It's only got like 90-day warranty, but I haven't had any problems. And you just start it up, and it goes to 14 volts. And then put this voltmeter right there, and that lets me know what my voltage is. It's great. Anyway, I hope this helps anybody out. Thanks for watching.